Hi, the Backwards Professor here again, and this is part 2 in my series of building a do-it-yourself guitar, following instructions I've seen on various different videos online. Seems to be kind of a popular thing, and I'm going to put this together with my daughter. I think we should have a good time. Anyway, I finished doing all the unpackaging and taking an inventory of all the parts and pieces, and they've done an amazing job. All the screws, everything's here. They've even gone as far as they've included a truss rod wrench, and they have even included the little tiny wrench that you need to use when you got to adjust your intonation and your screws on your tremolo bar. Very nice. Saves you something to do. All the, as you can see, all the screws are in there. You got the whammy bar. Got the screws for the plug. Got all of the tuners here. Got the screws for the tuners. Got the little clips there for the strings. I've included the new bone nut that I'm going to replace. Here's all the screws for the pick guards. I've got 11 of them. The claw screws, everything's here. The back plate's there, all the screws are there. We've got our buttons for the back of the guitar. That's here. All the screws, everything's here. Even our cord to power it. And of course we've got the plate to hold it down with the screws. And I've got the wires here, the strings, which I said I'm not going to use. I am going to use them in the initial setup of the guitar to hold the nut in place when I glue it and get it centered and aligned with the trim and the back and the neck and all of that stuff. So initial setup, I will be using these, and as soon as I get the guitar playable, of course that's the first thing, we'll put the good strings on it. Anyway, just wanted to let everybody know here that so far so good. Everything's here and accounted for, and of course, you know, gonna need some tools and to put it together. So we will come back with installment number 3 shortly. Once again, if you like the video, please leave comments, subscribe if you wish, and Backwards Professor over and out.